So this is my pom for plenty of it.
Let's get prepared.
Get prepared.
Shh.
Listen
carefully.
Pay attention.
Attention.
This is baby meal, and this is the pom-pom I've made. Loose one for the cutting design, my school project. So let me show you how to make it from scratch. It is very simple. Just get a measurement for yourself. For me now, I am using this as my measurement. You can see this is my charger, normal Redmi charger. The measurement, you can turn it as many as you like. For me, I'm using 100. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it 100 times. 100 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my pom-pom. If you want it more compact, you can use string it down. So give us thumbs up, thumbs up.